Good evening, friends. Today is 28th of December. We are coming to the end of 2024, and I'm bringing you a beautiful strategy in option trading. Now, those who are interested in mathematics, those who are interested in physics, and those who are interested in logic, they only spend the next 15 minutes on this video. No indicator. I am against the indicator. Okay, so those who are not interested in mathematics, there is no need to go further. Okay, simple mathematics. The base of this video, the maths, the physics, and then the logic. Now, physics. The physics says the earth is tilted in 23.5 degree to the east. In 90 degree, the tilt is 23.5 degree. We use a unitary position of 10, 100, and 1000, just like 100 paisa rupee, 100 kg is a quintal, 1000 kg a ton. So we will convert 23.5% out of 90 degrees to how many in 100? Cross multiplication. 23.5 multiplied by 100 divided by 90, and the answer is 26.11%. So the ratios that I shall be considering is 26.11%. This completes physics. Number one is physics. Number two is maths. Maths is with the help of physics and maths, we have come upon 26.11%. The same ratio we should take in option, in equity, both. And third is logic. Logic says if the price is going up, the candles are green, the volumes are rising, that part will grow. That may be call or put, and vice versa. On the other side, if price is falling, the candles are lower high, lower low, lower close. Both are red on a increased volume. The price will fall. Simple. Now, the first condition. Now, the most important thing is which script you will look forward to. The condition is very simple. First 5-minute range means first 5 minute 9:15 to 9:20 candle, high minus low is greater than previous whole day. Previous day high minus previous day low. How to find out? Just construct a single line query. Days first 5-minute high minus days first 5-minute low greater than 1 day ago high minus 1 day ago low. And then I would show you the result. These are the results that you shall see. Okay, these are the results. Now let's see one by one. Escorts, Piramal, Bajaj, UPI, Apollo, Dixon, DLF. Correct? These are the results. Now, let me close the video, and now let's go to share the screen. Probably now you could see the results. Yes, now see this. Now all this condition, there is one single condition. Today's first 5-minute high minus low is greater than 1 day ago high minus low. Okay, let's start with the escort. Now when you need to run the query at the end of first 5 minutes, the whole calculation is based on first 5 minutes. So whatever the number of scripts you get on 5 minutes, they are the final. There is no need to rerun the query time and again. It is pertaining only to the first 5 minutes. Let's go to escort. Now what is to be done, that I will show you now. Now let me share escort. Let me share you the chart. Yes, now these are the charts. First, let's go to escort. Okay. Now let's verify whether first 5-minute candle will verify only once, whether first 5-minute candle high minus low is greater than 1 day ago high minus low. Okay. So just see high is 3257.25. Minus low is 3161.55. And this difference is 95.7. Let's find out previous whole day's range just to make it sure that the screener has given you correct script. See this 26 December. You could see 177.25 as high and 112 as low. 65.25. So you could see yesterday's whole day range, 26 December, whole day's range was 65.25, while today's range is 95.7. First 5-minute candle, high minus low greater than 1 day ago high minus low. Okay. Now, first, as we progress, if you are interested in learning the strategy, back testing it, just write down. First of all, you get the script. Second, step number 2, find the range of first 5-minute candle, that is high minus low. We have just now calculated 95.7. Step number 3, whatever is the difference between high and low, multiplied by 26.11%. So 95.7 multiplied by 26.11% is 24.98. Step number 4, if the candle is green, you need to, whatever may be, let's first complete the procedure. So first candle high, which is 3257.25, add 26.11, that is 24.98, and you get 3282.23. 3282.23. See this one. Okay. Then first candle high, minus it. You just minus it from here. Okay. You just minus it from here. I will do it for you. So 3257.25. And you get 3232.26. See this, 3232.36. Step number 3 would be add the same into the low and minus from the low. First, let's minus it from low. 3161.55. You minus it and you get 3136.56. Let's draw it. 3136.56. And then, just like you subtracted 26.11 from the low, add it into the low. Okay. So now you shall add a 3161.5 plus 24.98 and you get 3186.48. 3186.48. Okay, so you got first candle high plus 26.11% of the range is this. Minus it from high, you get this. Add into the low, you get this. Subtract that from the low, you get this. Then highest high and lowest low, add and divide by 2. That is the median. So 3282.23 plus 3136.56 divided by 2. That's 3209.39. So that shall come over here somewhere in between. Let's give that a blue color so that you identify that to be the median 3209.39. Okay, and see that's the median. Now the condition is simple. Whichever, if the candle is green and the close is near to the high, you will consider the upper and lower level. So out of the money call and put so that the premium might be the less. So the upper level 3282, we shall select call closest to this strike, and the lower level 3232, this upper and lower are not this one. We shall select the put. Okay. So 3282 nearest is 3300 and 3232 nearest is 3200. So let's see escort 3200 and 3300 call 3250. Sorry, 250 is that there are the strikes in 50. Again, do the same thing. First candle high, calculate the range. 26.11 of the range, high plus 26.11, high minus 26.11, low plus 26.11, low minus 26.11. I will remove the volume for the time being so that you shall know it better. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and center line. Do the same 1, 2, 3, 4 center line. Now the rule is very simple. Whichever is above 3 lines buy, whichever is below 3 lines sell. Okay. If you don't sell, whichever is below 3 lines, buy the counterpart of it. Okay. Now you just see from the end of the first candle, this one is only above. Okay. And this one is below the first candle. You just saw the first candle. Then you kindly wait. Okay. No more hurries because this has gone to the upmost level. We don't know whether it shall go up or down. You waited for the first candle. As per the first candle, this candle has closed above the upper line. This has below the lower line. Don't make a rush. See, maximum number of times one tends to lose money only because of his hurried nature. He's in a hurry. I wish to be the first one to enter the trade. No, we are not the trend setters. We are just the followers. The trend is set by DIs and FIs. We just need to check. Again, the most crucial decision will be buying on a higher volume. So let's add volume into it and a simple volume. I just removed it so that you could see it better. But now I need to add it and okay, now see. Now here it was above 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay. But second candle volume has rose, but we have gone to the limit. The uppermost line, it may come down from here, it may go from here, we don't know. So we are not going to buy it. Just see. Vice versa, this has crossed above the third line over here. Again, see, we don't know. This has reached the topmost line. So we shall wait. No hurries unless we get two succeeding candles, higher high, higher low, higher close, higher volume. We will not do it. One more thing. Once the uppermost line is crossed, the next target will be this minus this, the difference you add into the high. So 106.65 minus 85.24, whatever is the difference, that is to 21.41. You add a 21.41 into 106.65 and you get 128.06. The entry would have been here. You just wait for a while on higher high. See, you are not finding higher high. Here you found higher high, but it straightway went up to the topmost level. Okay. So just see here. This was the higher high. You could see again why you are not going to buy over here. This is a higher high. It touched the highermost level in spot also. Okay. So you shall wait. Then you got the opportunity. Now just see. This is a higher high. Okay. And as you get higher high, second candle high is greater than first one, second candle low is greater than first one, second candle close is greater than first one, second candle volume is greater than first one. Here the same, second candle low, close, high, everything lower than the first one, and the volume of second greater than the first one. Now you shall buy. Here again see, this is already above 3 lines and this is already above 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 3 line is important. You got a rally, exactly rally up to here. Now it came back, it hit the target, came back, took support. Will you buy it? Yes. Why? Because the other one is below all four. When will you buy? On a higher volume. Now see the volume of this 9.6. Next one is 7.65. No. Now this one 7.65. Next one 9.7. You can buy, but now remember, price may not go again because it's decaying. Yesterday was Friday, 2 days holidays. Interest, decay, depreciation never stops. So decay of premium is counted on Saturday and Sunday. Don't take risk. Get away with a small amount of profit and you got it. And then just see when it broke below this on a higher volume, this rose. You just see not much from 82 to it went up to 92. But equal and opposite, call and put are equal and opposite. Chalo, let's go to Bajaj. The second one, again, first candle, find out the difference, range, calculate it by 26.11, high plus 26.11, low minus 26.11, low plus 26.11, low minus 26.11, upper one, upper one, and then the next one, since the candle is green, you shall consider this. So a call near 9177, a put near 9061. So call is 9,200, put is 9,100. Again, find out the difference. I mean, between high and low. Add, subtract from high, low plus high, low minus high. You will say, where is the lower line? I will change the time frame. That's way below. So if you change the time frame, you could see it. Let's go to 1 hour, and then now you shall see it. See, 110.92. So the lower line is what? 110.92, which is not visible here. So that is low minus 26.11. Low plus 26.11 is 175.75. So the that lower line which is not visible is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Condition is the one which goes above should be above 3 lines. The one which goes below should be below 3 lines on a higher volume. So this crossed, just see, this crossed on a higher volume here. Correct? So your entry at 257, target 299, very close, 298 it hit. Okay, now see the beauty once again. Now, as the price came down from here, you just see the prices rose from bottom. See the beauty, even if you are a writer, the lowest part was 204.91 and the actual low made is 203. Now, after touching over here, just see the price started moving up. It closed above the two levels, 1 and 2 level. And this came below 1 and 2 level. Just see 1 and 2 level on a lower low, higher volume. Okay, on a higher high, higher volume. But the rule is one has to cross above 3 lines. So 1, 2, 3, it has crossed above 3 lines. Okay, so this has crossed above 3 lines. This shall be buy. This shall come down. Again, let us wait for this to come down. What difference does it make? It went sideways. Someone was selling here, someone was buying here, and when the median was broken, it came down. See again, higher volume. See this volume, this higher volume, higher close. Exactly 262 the first target. I told you the next target will be the difference between this and this, these two lines plus high, exactly hit. Okay, Bajaj Autos, we have seen. Now let's go to Dixon because that's a different case. See, this was the first candle, Dixon. Okay, so 26.11 high plus this, high minus this, low plus this, low minus this. So you shall take call near to the 18,700. Here the strike are in terms of 500. So 18,700 call, 18,500 near to it put. So just see, 18,700 means nearest will be 19,000. You can take 19,000, you can take 18,500, whatever you wish. Okay, just see this, the first candle. Okay, it's simple. Why I haven't shown you this? It's simple, logical. See the first candle. So 26.11 first candle high plus 26.11, first candle low minus 26.11, low plus 26.11, low minus 26.11. This one has crossed high plus 26.11, the highest level, and it shot. It went up. This crossed below the 3 mark. See, this crossed below the 3 mark. It went down. Absolute one way, making a quite a good fortune. Last one, Apollo Hospital. Again, see, Apollo Hospital is closed down. It's a different one. Closed down. Okay. So now you shall select, I mean, the low plus this, low minus this. The strike we selected are 7,200 call and put. You could get the once it crossed above the third one, you could get one. Okay. Rather than that, now see, just to use the logic. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. On the second candle, put has closed below the lower line. Let's use volume. Here also we will use volume. Now just see, this has come down. Volume is not supporting, but this has come down on third line. You could see the first high is broken, and here once someone has come down, the second one will go up. It doesn't matter, even though you take a position over here at the end of 2250. I mean, the close was 222. You are having a target 232. Okay, so this was not a great trade. It happens, but in short, this is how you could trade. Script selection is very simple. Execution is simple, 26.11%. It's all 26.11 on equity also and call also. The only difference is 26.11% of the range, the first 5-minute high minus low. It may be spot, it may be option, everything the same method is to be used. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye bye.